This video tutorial is a guide on how to check my account in OPALS. To start with, log in into OPALS. Enter your username and your user ID and password. Then click Login. Click My File to display your personal account. It will drop down the following: Profile, Account Info, My Loans, My Request and Change Password. My booking is currently unavailable for use and will not be covered in this video. When you click the Profile tab, it will show basic information about you. If you want to complete your profile information, click Edit, located beside your name. Fill in the information that you want to include in your profile. Then click Save. Account Info tab or My Account will retrieve all your library records. Library records such as items on loan or all your borrowed materials. Items on reserve, if you reserved any library materials. Items loan stats are all the titles you borrowed in the library. And fines, if you have an overdue. It will indicate the amount that you need to pay in the library. My Loans tab will display all the library materials that are currently loaned under your name. You can also renew your borrowed resources here. Just click Renew button below. A renewal box will appear, giving you a new due date for that particular title. My Request will display all the titles you have reserved for borrowing online. You can also cancel the request if you think you no longer need the book during the time of your waiting by clicking Cancel at the action box. My eShelf is where you can view the ebook you selected from OPALS eBook tab. When you check your My eShelf, you will see the ebook there. View ebook tutorial found at the instructional documents and video tab for instructions on how to access eShelf. Change Password tab. This is an option for you to change your account password anytime. Type your current password, new password and retype your new password. To confirm password in each box, click Change. Password change completed successfully will be displayed. If you have problems in accessing your account, contact the library at library@apnts.edu.ph.